Managing your laundry can seem like a daunting task, but it's crucial for your mental well-being, personal hygiene, and maintaining a clean, inviting home environment. In this video, we'll focus on managing laundry within your own home. However, there are alternative options such as utilizing a laundromat or a communal laundry facilities if you reside in an apartment complex. All laundry machines work similar wherever they are. Step one in tackling your laundry is sorting your clothes into categories: colors, darks, and whites. While not always necessary, this step helps prevent colors from bleeding into each other during the wash cycle. Next, add your detergent to the wash machine. Some machines have designated compartments for detergent, while others allow direct placement into the drum. It's recommended to add detergent before your clothes to prevent staining. If using detergent pods, simply toss them into the drum with your clothes. Selecting the appropriate wash cycle is critical. Check clothing tags for specific care instructions, but typically the normal cycle suffices. Once the wash cycle completes, transfer your items to the dryer. Again, refer to the clothing tags for specific drying instructions. Auto dry is usually adequate, but you can adjust drying time and heat levels if needed. Consider using a dryer sheet to control static. Don't forget to clean the lint trap before and after you load to prevent fire hazards and ensure efficient drying. Both the washer and dryer typically emit a tone or beep when the cycle ends. If you're using a communal laundry facility, be sure to set a timer to manage your laundry and be respectful of others' times. After retrieving your laundry, lay it flat for easier folding. Folding and sorting clothes promptly post-wash keeps them fresh and wrinkle-free. Remember, maintaining a clean and organized living space is an essential part of home management. With these simple steps, conquering your laundry becomes a manageable task, contributing to a happier and more comfortable living environment.